Actually, 5 p.m. po natapos yung klase ko, tapos dumiretso pa ako dito. Galing po kami ng Norte, tapos pumunta ulit kami sa Lawag sa Tabacalera tomorrow to support Words Anonymous.
Grabe kayo. Dance kayo, okay.
The words I love you were not made to solve the ugly tragedy and fights. We're not meant to be used as a band-aid as you think it might. For the mistakes you wish you could take back, or the things you didn't mean to say, or in an attempt to make everything seemingly go away. Every tear, every scar, and every painful pit in my stomach. When you say I love you, I want you to mean it. Not when you think I need to hear it. I want you to say it, even in moments where it doesn't seem to matter. In the instances when you think I'm dozing off on your chest, but I'm actually just listening to the clicks and whooshes of your heart and wondering if it's beating for me. When you say I love you, it means you're not going to change your mind, that no one gets left behind. It means that you see me for me and still choosing to be with me over anything seemingly perfect. But sometimes, these 3 little words would keep people apart. Sometimes, it means I'm letting you go. It means you're brave enough to say, I want you to be happy. But unfortunately, when you say I love you, all of a sudden, it all comes back. The highs and lows, the good and bad, the butterflies and tears. Thank you.